Hi guys, Kandi Blaze here with Kandi's Rods and Customs at 1722 Claremont Avenue in the beautiful heart of Ashland, Ohio. Wow, the sun is shining, the breeze is blowing, and all I can smell are Archway cookies from the Lance Snyder factory down the road that happens to make Archway cookies. So it smells really good in here right now. And the other smell I actually am smelling is the removal of old paint on the 1969 Corvette behind me. That is the very next rotisserie build here at Kandi's Rods and Customs, guys. This Corvette has seen, I would say, at least one or two other previous jobs before it. So we got to take a little more than the original off of it. And what we're doing, actually, being that it's fiberglass, we didn't want to use a chemical stripper on it. So we are actually doing a very delicate process of razor blade stripping right now. Now you have to be really careful to do that, but it's kind of an old school practice because, as you can see, it enables us to take everything off and be very close to the car to see every single thing underneath of it. Now we went around the car once already, marked every single spot, documented with tape and pictures, anything that we could see, even down to the seams needing readjusting. Because guys, this rotisserie behind me, well, soon to be rotisserie build, is getting everything, not just to paint. I mean, every nut, every bolt, every nook and cranny on this car is gonna be done. We're gonna be lifting it completely off of the frame, and well, even those seams are gonna be better than they were when it left in 1967 from the factory. Oh my gosh, guys. So that is, well, not just a restoration, but a mod resto, and above and beyond on that too. Okay, a couple other cool things in here. We're getting ready to cut in, before you know it, on the 1957, and Box Performances we'll soon be working on that 454 for us if they're not already. We're really excited about the EFI system going into that and all the goodies that are going along. Guys, we had a rep here the other day from House of Kolor, like the House of Kolor. Guys, when I was 8 years old, my dad had a paint store, and I'll tell you what, one of my favorite paint chips to go and take outside in the sun and look at was the House of Kolor chips, because they had flakes and pearls, and oh my God, the colors were so intense. And when House of Kolor dropped by the other day and talked to us, because we have the Matrix paint line. Where's my Matrix sign, guys? Anyway, there's a Matrix sign somewhere back there. But as you guys know, there it is. We also have the Matrix paint system. So House of Kolor came in, and we were talking about, I don't know, maybe the atomic fireball behind me. Because guys, well, I'm gonna swing you around. Be patient with me. I'm gonna be Armstrong here, okay? We've got a couple metal flakes. We're gonna be doing 5 to 7 different colors of pearls in the flames that are gonna go on this beautiful car behind me. And that's just in the SS stripes, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna try to bring this camera in, since I can't find my button to flip you guys around, and bear with me, okay? It's gonna get really bright. Can you guys see that? That is incredible metal flake. Oh my gosh. Okay, now, woo, like, okay. That is just the cut-in. That is just the underside of the hood and the cut-in. What is that? What is that? You guys see that? That is a beautiful Box Performance 396 big block in there. And right now we have a 4-speed Muncie, and I will be drag racing this. Even though this is a street car, it's also a street strip car. No cage, no tub, nothing like that. Nothing too big and fast, but a little big and fast. All right, so I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this season and fall, and hopefully next year too. I'm really excited about it, guys. Can't wait to get in there and shift through those 4-speed gears and stuff. So the booth is empty right now. And anyway, we were talking with the House of Kolor rep about what clear is gonna be better to do a really, really high build over the 2 different stepped metal flakes that are going on that, not just 1 but 2. And guys, I talked to Roth distributors themselves, and we are doing a really cool 3D effect on that, so I'm super excited. I think I say that a lot, super excited. Anyway, so Emily is back here working really hard on this. Matter of fact, they're so annoyed with me right now. They have razor blades going on this. But that's the type of detail that we go to. Again, you don't want to take a chemical stripper to fiberglass. There's several different methods you could do, but I really didn't want to get too aggressive on the car until we knew what was underneath. Because again, the color that you see is not the original color that was on the car, and there were definitely some body repairs and some stuff done underneath too. And so before we can go balls to the wall, so to speak, we got to discover every little thing that was done previously on that ride so we know what we're going to do about it and how we're going to go about restoring and fixing it. Whew, wow, okay. Guys, I just got done. I was up in Battle Creek, Michigan on Friday visiting friends, and then actually my Pretties for Pitties friends. I have my Detroit Pretties for Pitties t-shirt on. And then Saturday, I went to Albany, Indiana, myself and Chevy Cheyenne and Rob McCrae, and we went to the big auction house over there, and the Auburn Shifters had a big car show, and the Summit City Pinups asked me with Paula to be their guest MC for the pinup contest, and that was so much fun, you guys. Cars, ladies, you know, it's some of my favorite things. And this weekend, I'm actually gonna be about 3 hours, maybe 3.5 hours north up in Michigan again, in Garshot, Michigan. I know I pronounced that wrong, but it's French, right? Okay, so I will be up there with Chevy Cheyenne, and we're gonna try to steal Ivy Electric too, and we're gonna take my Dirty Gertie. That's the farthest that she's gone, guys, so I'm a little scared and a little brave. And we're gonna take Dirty Gertie clear up north there to the Garshot cruise. It's a big cruise up there. And we're gonna go, but actually I'm gonna go to Detroit Saturday night and cruise around in my truck because I've never taken my truck downtown with pretty ladies, so it seems like a thing to do. But anyway, I will be up there judging the awesome pinup contest that actually takes place Sunday up in Michigan. And again, Pretties for Pitties, guys, they are the ones who are helping out with that as well. So make sure you check it out. I will actually post a link up in the description in this video. And in case you haven't noticed, we have a YouTube channel now. And even though the videos are still live, so I definitely have my share of mess ups, guys. Oh my. We're trying to make them a little more entertaining, add a little bit more fun to them, and keep you updated with not only the shop, but events and everything else going on. So stay tuned to our Facebook page because that House of Kolor rep that came in, well, guys, we're planning an event here, a public event, kind of like a clinic and tutorial with House of Kolor paints and some of the stuff that we do. So, like, that's a dream come true. I get to team up with House of Kolor at my own hot rod shop. Wow, guys. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. I might cry. Okay. Anyway, I am Kandi Blaze with Kandi's Rods and Customs. I will hope to see you this weekend, and if not this weekend, stay tuned because we have more events up in Michigan, and then at the end of this month is Rockin' Race, guys, and we extended the pinup contest registration until August 1st because, you know, pinups and ladies and rock and roll music and vintage and nostalgia drag racing. Whew, it's all at Rockin' Race at Dragway 42, guys, at the end of August. I will see you around. Bye.